Bug is a word we use to classify all the creepy crawlers like millipedes, spiders, and bees that have their skeleton outside known as exoskeleton. All these creatures are what we know as arthropods. But today we won't be talking about spiders or millipedes, but rather another classification of arthropods known as insects. Contrary to popular belief, spiders, millipedes are not insects. Insects have 6 legs. But similarly, like spiders and millipedes, they molt and go through metamorphosis, they're segmented, and play really important roles in sustaining our planet. Some insects are important pollinators that help sustain life cycles of plants and ecosystems, while some might be aggressive, but they are important decomposers and help maintain soil health. While there are some pests out there, others are really just good at camouflaging, like these walking sticks, and remind us of the beauty of evolution, how some species evolved to survive their climates and environments. While other insects maintain healthy ecosystems through predation by controlling pest populations. And I know some insects can look intimidating, but let's appreciate them from a distance and recognize them. Without them and their efforts, we wouldn't be able to enjoy the beauty this earth has to offer. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.